What's up everyone, Bubba here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own YouTube banner. So let's get into it. So first, what you want to do is you want to go to your search bar and type in Pixlr.com, and then you want to go to create new, and I already got this set up, but just, whatever you want your banner name to be, save that as in your files. And you want to make the width 2560, and then the height 1440. Background needs to be turned off. And then what you want to do next is you want to go to space wallpapers, jumpwallpapers.com, and you could really type in anything that you want, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make it with ocean wallpaper. But here are some examples. They're really nice and like clean, like they're not blurry or anything. And then what you want to do is you want to push download, and then I already got some pictures downloaded. And then you'll just go to your file. Just go up here real fast. You'll just go to your file, and then let me see real fast. Alright, we're gonna do. Let's see what else I got. Got this one. I think I'm gonna do this one last, so you just want to hide that. I'm gonna go with this one. Hide. I'm gonna go with this one. And then what you want to do is you just want to drag it out. Make sure it fits like that. There we go. I did make mine a little bit bigger, and I'm gonna stretch it where I want it at, like that. Kind of want this up more. There we go. Oh wait, I'm sorry, I forgot about this, but I will leave this in the description. But what you want to do is you want to download this. Hold on, let me go thumbnails. You want to download this channel art thing, and it'll just tell you like where you'll see your banner. So we're gonna make it inside this brown one. I'll not explain it. But what you want to do is you want to go to the square thing, make sure it's on square or rectangle. Go to the side. Wait, that's okay. Go to the side, go like that. Just drag this out a little bit, and then you just want to go do the same thing. Actually, do the same thing to the bottom, like that. There you go. And then we're gonna make this black so it'll look better, and we'll just pull this up, and then we will keep this right there. Pull this up like that. Oh, hold on. Drag it where you can't see anything, and then you just want to align your picture to where you want your like how you want the background to be. So I want it like that, kinda, actually I kinda want, I just want it like that. It should be, and then there we go. And then what you want to do is you want to go to text, and I'm just gonna type in Bubba. For this, I'm gonna do it this font. I don't know if you can see it. I'll make it bigger. And then what you want to do for the font is go to thefont.com, and you want to you could go to any of these actually. And then you could also type in your name right here, or whatever you're going to put on it, on your banner, and it'll show how it'll look. But I kind of like the graffiti font, This is the one that I did. And then what you'll do, you'll push, I'm going to do it on a different one. What you want to do is go to download, go to show in folder, and then let me pull this over. You want to go to extract all, extract that, and then double click on that, install, and just wait for it to install, and then you can exit out of this, out of that. There we go. You want to go back to your Pixlr, go to add local font if it's not already there. sometimes it'll just show up. Go here, and then see, it added it. Okay. But I'm still gonna go with this one. This one looks pretty sick too, but got the graffiti. And then we're gonna bring this back up like that. Zoom out. No. Alright. I usually make it around line it up in the middle real fast. I usually make it around where it's in between the like T and X, and then like the E and A area, something right there. Kind of looks like the best. Line that up real fast. I think I'm gonna make it like that big. Looks pretty good. Oh, my bad. Let's X it out. But, and then you want to look at it real fast. That's how it looks. Next, what you want to do is go to, make sure you're selected on your name. Go to filter. Oh wait, sorry. You have to rasterize layer, whatever that is. And then go to drop shadow. Make the opacity 100. Blur 0 for right now, just to get it lined up how you want it. And then I just want to like that. And then I'm gonna go with like 3. Say, yeah, that look pretty good. And then we're gonna go to, we're gonna add and then for my Instagram I do I love you. Well, that's like the username, whatever. But like that for your Instagram. Go to click back over here, rasterize, and then you'll want to do the same thing. Drop shadow, opacity, boom. Go up a little bit to right about there. That should be good. And then you want to move, where is it at? This up, and you want it to be about like right there. And then what I usually do is search up Twitter PNG, and it should show up. Like here, let's show you. Twitter. Oh. I don't know why it says Twitter. It's actually my Insta, but it's fine. We'll do this one. Should be pretty good. Save image. Good. We're gonna do the same thing for our Instagram logo. PNG. Go to this one. I want this one. Save image. Boom. Save. Go back. Go to insert image. Let me just fix it. Oh. Go to and do my Insta. There we go. And even though we search in PNG, some will be with that white outline, the background. What you want to do is you want to go to this little cutout, go to this magic mask, click on the white, and you could leave it like this, but I'm gonna make it white actually. So one way you could do it is leave it like that. Go to filter, go to outer, no, it's inner glow. Inner glow. Make this size. Actually, no, you can't do it on this. But some of the logos you can. I'm gonna make sure it's white. Okay. So it's not working with this one, but I already have one saved, and that's how I'm gonna do it. Go to thumbnail. It should be. Oh, I did mine black and white. That's what it was. It doesn't really matter the color. It just see magic mask. Boom. Oh. There we go. And then we'll go to the bucket. Make sure it's on white. Click that. Just gonna drag this down to about like right there. Make it a little bit smaller. About right like that. Something around there, you know. So if you guys want to know like the size, about the size, it's just a little bit bigger than the E. So I'm gonna make it like that big. I think that looks good. Zoom out real fast. Yeah, I feel like that looks good. And then what you want to do is you want to go to image, and then you want your Twitter logo, which is right here. We're gonna do the same thing, white, and then except that. I usually, since like you can't change the size, I'm just gonna go right here and about measure it kind of the same height, you know. That's about the same. Kind of make sure the length from each side is about the same too. You want to add your Twitter, which is about 22. Go follow, please. But we're gonna. A good font for your text is this Coolvetta RG. You could find it on thefont.com. I'll put it in the description actually, if I could find it. But yeah, this is good font. I don't know why I didn't. Actually, I'm gonna redo this. I'm sorry, but I forgot to mention that. There we go. And then make the font. Oh, was it already that? Can't remember, but it's fine. We're gonna leave it at maybe. Can I put it back? Put around like right there. I know I could have just made it the same size, which I forgot, but it's fine. You can you can add the drop shadow, which on some pictures it looks good, but others, some it doesn't, you know. Just go right here. Boom, that looks good. I wouldn't add it on your Instagram and Twitter logos, just cause you can if you want, but I just don't think it looks good. Go up a little bit. Say that looks good right there. Let's see how this looks. Okay, looks pretty good. That's a little bit dropped down more than that one. Yeah, it's fine. You could change it later if you want to, but. And then what you want to do, you want to select your background. You want to go to adjustment, hue and saturation. Move this over to the side to where you can see. You can change it to any color that you want, but I'm gonna make it like a greenish blue. This is the saturation. You make it darker, brighter, you know. And then this is makes it darker and brighter. Might make it like that. Make it like that. Actually, how does red look? Where's red? And make it like it's kind of hard. For the video, I'm gonna make it purple. There we go. And yeah, this is how it should look. About. And we also have more, so I'm gonna show you how this will look with other ones. Visible. Let me just pull this up. Okay, so I'm gonna put it like above the water. Where is it? Plus above. Put it like about right there. I feel like, you know. Okay, and this one actually looks pretty clean. But I'm gonna move it above. Or no, I'm gonna make it even. Like in the middle. I feel like that looks good. And then what you want to do next is do the same thing that you did on the last one. Hue and saturation. Change. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Change the color a bit. I don't really know what to change it with this one. This one's kind of weird. I'm gonna go with this one. -7. Actually, a little bit more. Make it darker. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna stick with this one. And I'm gonna show you one more actually. Hide that one. Throw this all the way to the top. Boom. Uh-oh. There we go. This one, I don't think it's gonna look that good with, but we could try it, you know? Always give something a try. Pull this up. That one doesn't look that bad. Like right there. Adjustment, hue and saturation. Oh, but the middle, like right there. Different fonts make it look better. I don't know why I chose a graffiti font. On my, if you go look at my YouTube banner right now, it looks pretty good. But I don't think this one looks that good, so we're just gonna hide that. And bring back, I kind of filmed this one. Bring back this one. Yeah. And then what you want to do is go to File, Save. I already have my YouTube banner. I would save it as a PNG, just cause I don't know, I would, and it looks cleaner. Sorry. What you want to do is go to youtube.com. Go over here, and then you want to go click this. And then you, where it says banner image, go to change, and then scroll up to YouTube banner, and then see it fits perfect where we set it. Click done, click publish, and wait for it to go. There we go. Go to your channel, and boom. That actually looks pretty clean. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and please like and subscribe. Go follow my Twitter, Insta. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and peace out. Hey, Bubba here again, and I forgot something in the tutorial. I made a Discord. The link is down in the description. Go join, find your duo partner, chat, have fun, Yeah, the link's in the description, so go join that, and peace.